Alright, hi guys, it's me again, and alright, so I lied. I took a look at the first video of the tutorial, and I saw that it was 20 minutes long, and it was just of me just talking away about hooks and yarn, and yeah, that's not right. But I'm not going to go back and edit and redo because I'm kind of tired. So we're just gonna keep it at that. Sorry if you hear this car alarm going off or anything else, but yeah, I'm sorry. So, all right, so this video is going to be the actual tutorial of how to chain. And in the last video, when I tell you that chaining is like the easiest thing that you're going to be doing as a crocheter, it is one of the easiest things. I could actually teach you. It can be like a 2-3 minute video, but we are not going to be doing that. No, because that's not me. All right, I'm trying to adjust here. All right, this is my first time, well, my second time using a GoPro, but it's giving me the angle that I want. So, sorry, bear with me. The more I do this, the more professional it's going to look, or, well, at least not as crappy. All right, so, all right, here we go, guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are going to learn how to make chains. And making a chain is 99% the foundation of a crochet project. There are some ways to, there are a couple of ways to avoid the chain, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to do the chain. All right, so let's get your yarn. There it is. For this, I'm using my Pretty in Pink Red Heart, and I don't know, I'm a hoarder of yarn, so I probably got like almost all the colors of the rainbow. All right, so I'm going to be using this size hook just because I want you guys to see how to do the chain. You can use whatever size hook that you want. But this is basically just to find out or to figure out how to do the chain and try to see what you're looking at. All right, so you're going to take your yarn. This right here, this end piece is the tail end of the yarn. So you're going to see projects, they're going to tell you to do the tail end or leave so much of a tail end. This is what they're talking about. The tail end is the very end of the yarn, or the start, whichever way you want to look at it. All right, so yeah, it's a little raveled because I've been using and reusing it. But, so you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around your finger. And then you're going to, sorry, yeah, I'm trying to adjust. Oop, that's too much. Anyway, so try it again. You're going to take your yarn and make a circle with your finger, and you're going to hold it where it intersects right there. Well, I need to make it a little bit bigger because I'm using a bigger hook. All right, come on off. All right, so you're going to hold it right there where it intersects. You're going to take, this is your working end. You're going to take your working end, you're going to put it below. Behind. I'm sorry. You're going to put it behind, and it's going to look like this. All right, so then, and excuse my yarn. All right, so then you're going to take your hook. Oh, no, I'm slipping. All right, so then you're going to take your hook, and you're going to, place it in, and you're going to go around the back of the end of the back end and do that. And then you're going to pull. There you go. That's your starting. Now, you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. So you want to leave about, say about that much, maybe a little less, depending. So again, this is your tail end, and some are going to have you have a longer tail end, and that's to sew to sew in things. We'll get to that later. All right, so this is your working end now. And oh, sorry, my Discord. I should have paused it or muted it. All right, so now, so the first thing to learn is how you're going to hold your yarn. This is how I hold my yarn when I work. You can hold it however you want. You can, and sorry, let me mute. Let me mute these people real quick. Which I don't know how to. Sorry, give me one moment, guys. Mute. All right, so like I said, it depending on how you want to hold your yarn, whatever makes you feel comfortable. This is how I hold my yarn over my index finger. Now, so what we're to make your first chain, you're going to yarn over, which means put the yarn. Well, I'm trying to do it. I can't do it slow. I can do it fast. So you're going to put the yarn over, and it's going to catch in that hook, in that actual hook right there. And then you're going to pull through the circle. Oh. Tip 1, keep the yarn on your hook. Like I said, I'm doing it slow, so it's going to, it's bothering me. All right. All right. So that's chain 1. You're going to do it again. Yarn over. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm going to do it fast. All right. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over. Oh. Okay. We're going to make it. Yarn over, pull through. Now, I did them fairly loose, so it looks like crap now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it my way. So I'm going to get another hook here. All right, I'm going to get an I hook. I's and J's are like my favorite. All right, so anyway, you're going to wrap around, put your working end in the back, insert from back to front, make sure you're catching that, and then pull. Tighten up a little bit, set your yarn. All right, yarn over, pull through. 1 chain, yarn over, pull through. 2 chains. Haha. Yarn over, pull through. 3. Yarn over, pull through. All right. So for this example, we're going to do 4. But that's basically how you do a chain. It's really easy. You yarn over, and then you pull through that loop. And you're going to have 1 loop on your hook. Now, how I usually chain is I just pull. And see, this is why you kind of do it kind of loosely so it can go through easily. But I usually don't yarn over. I just pull. Now, you're going to tell the difference. And I'm going to show you in just a moment. Now, you see... Okay, you can't really see it that well, but here we go. All right, you see those little bumps in your chain that you just made? That is called the wrong side, or WS. You're going to be seeing that a lot in your patterns, hopefully. That is, like I said, that's WS, wrong side. You flip it over, and you're going to see like these pretty V's, V-like, upside down, or however, lopsided loops. That is RS, right side. Now, when I pulled it through, my little loops didn't come out as pretty as the other ones. So your best bet when you're starting to chain is to do the yarn over and pull through that I did. But once you become more professional, you can just do that. And it's so easy to do it that way. Or you can yarn over, pull through. And so you can see the last two that I did, they don't look as good as the others, but I've been crocheting for a while, and so I can tell where these bumps, these ridges are anyway. So, so if you want to go ahead and take your time and just do the do chains, sorry, then that's fine. Go ahead and just take your time and do as many chains as you want until you get used to it. And since we're going on almost 11 minutes, take that off. That will be the end of your first lesson. Congratulations, guys. You know how to chain. Yay. So in our next video, I will teach you, we're going to start learning some actual stitches to go along with that chain. So until next time, guys, thanks. See you later.